setting spray. And this is the one that I use by e.l.f. That is gonna set your makeup for the day. Well, I'm trying to be straight. My hairline throwing me off. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm new here because this is a completely different channel. I have decided to no longer make videos about art. I will get more into that as I do this makeup look. I've decided that I would really like to venture into the beauty, skincare, fashion world. It's something that I have a lot more to say and a lot more to talk about with. So I hope that you enjoy this video. I've already prepped my skin.
It's hot. I'm nervous and I'm sweating. First video.
I made myself a hot water with lemon. This is my go-to. My stomach is a little upset, probably because of nerves. Zoomed you in a little bit more. Is that good? I think I might need to get a ring light. So it goes here. I have this little light right here, the little square one. And it works, but I think for symmetry, I should get that. I always start off with this bad boy. L'Oreal Gloomy Lotion. Ah, too much. This really gives the nicest base to your face. I love it. I have not tried the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, but I've heard that this is very comparable. Much more affordable, which we like. I'm 38, and so I am starting to see signs of aging, getting wrinkles, happy smile lines everywhere, but that's okay because that means I laugh a lot, right? That's right. That was so nice. You'll have to let me know what you think of my setup. It's just my TV. I'm in my living room. I have a window, so it's good lighting. I was in the shade Medium Glow. Again, L'Oreal. Next step. You are applying your, don't fall. You're applying your concealer, especially if you are getting older. Do not apply it directly to your under eyes. Take your hand and focus. Yeah. However much you need. You probably do not need much. And you're gonna take your brush, dip the smallest amount, and then you're just gonna pat it very, very gently. And you're just pressing in. Okay, just like that. And of course, we're gonna do some powder afterwards because that is very, very shiny. And then you can take whatever's left over and you can gently pat those areas where you have redness and that stippling patting motion. I actually think I put too much on my brush. That's okay though. And I have very dark circles, so I feel the need to definitely cover those up, but you might not have as bad of dark circles as I do, so. But here the point is you don't need much, okay? Very glowy. Just gonna wipe that off. Things are falling off my table.
I'm sweating, you guys. Can you hear it in my voice that I'm nervous?
I will begin to tell you why I transitioned from art to this. I have been creating art since 2021 and 2022 for sure. It was fun. And I love making art. I have a very, very difficult time teaching. I didn't go to school. Like I can't teach someone how to create art. I just do it and whatever comes out, comes out. Then also trying to film different angles. Oh, sorry. Merciir translucent setting powder. So as I was saying, it's very difficult to create art and have to stop, get your camera, put it at a different angle, get paint all over your camera or your phone, whatever it is. The process itself is incredibly annoying. And for me, I would much rather people just like my art, buy it, you know? But social media, people want to see you. They want to see you and whatever you're making. And for me, doing both of those things with art is too hard. So the bottom line is, I love makeup, I love fashion, I love creating outfits and clothes, and I really love skincare. I like to take some kind of bronzer. This is e.l.f. and this is old. I don't even know if they sell this anymore. I'd have to look. But it's an oldie but a goodie. The cheeks, very lightly. Next thing I'm gonna go in with is just a colorful Mineral Fusion. Is that backwards? It gives you the nicest wash of color, lightly. Go into all of them. Okay. I don't know. I hope you like my videos. I hope you like my makeup tutorials. I hope I have not had any work done to my face. I have no Botox, no filler. And so you're gonna see wrinkles, especially when I do this. Love to maybe have something done to them, but at the same time, I'm quite scared to start that process and then feel like I don't want to look like anything else, you know, but like a frozen face. Trying to age gracefully, embrace my wrinkles, embrace all of my imperfections, and I hope you do the same too, because there's a lot of pressure to continue to look young. I used to be so afraid of these things. I still kind of am. Sometimes I pinch my eyelid, but I've gotten much better at it, so. I really like the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. Okay, now for the last step, eyebrows. Now, not everybody is into this look, but I am. I think lifted, fluffy eyebrows, I don't know, it just does something good to my face. I feel like it raises, makes things look like they're going up, which is what I want. So right now, my favorite is the e.l.f. Brow Lift. And then I take my spoolie, which I have bent on purpose. Just bend that thing 90 degrees. And another tip, when you're doing your brows, if you put foundation on, even your moisturizer, if you've rubbed that into your brows, make sure to wipe your brows off with just a piece of tissue paper and get all that excess product. That way your brows are dry. And this is my first ever makeup YouTube video on this subject. So please let me know how I did, what you think. Okay, so that's it. That is the finished makeup look. And if you have any hard lines, harsh lines that you want to blend out, if you have like a line here, then you can just blend that baby out. Blend it out. Okay. Voila! I forgot one last step. Sorry. Setting spray. And this is the one that I use by e.l.f. I'm just gonna take this. And that is gonna set your makeup for the day. Not doing much to my hair today. It is straight. I just spilled my water. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to say. I've got to look in the camera. Keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel because it will help me out tremendously. I'll show you my necklaces. They're really pretty. I need to get this one shortened so that it will hang like right there instead of in the same spot, which I do plan to do.